the red subscribe button to subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications for our next video. Hey guys, it's me Electro. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys restoration of a light fixture of Crompton. I think the first footage got corrupted, so sorry guys. This is the part where I'm cleaning the fixture. I actually cleaned it. It was so dirty. I don't know where that clip went. So now we'll have a time lapse of me, cleaning the rest of the parts, choke and everything. And yeah, after all this, these things are black, though. So a little bit of master muscle. So I'll give you an overview what happened till now. So when I got the frame, I just tried to fix the dents, kind of, and then I removed all the parts. I tried fixing few of the dents, and then because it was bent very bad, you will see in the next few minutes, next few clips. So I removed all the parts, wires, everything. Now I'm cleaning it, so it looks brand new except for the chipped paint, which I'll have to look after later on. So yes, this what happened, and this is the cleaning. Now in the next clip we are gonna be having so that's the wiring harness which I'm working with. That's the OEM wiring harness which I'm putting back. So these are few of stickers which I've printed for the fixture body and the choke, which I'm gonna be installing right now. So cutting, shaping, sticking, that's all what is gonna happen. And I'll put the choke and the wiring harness back, and overview will be given to you guys. I had a hard time fixing the wiring harness because I'd messed a little bit up, not understanding which wire goes where. That was a little bit of confusion, which I then solved, first by installing the starter base at its OEM place. Yeah, one more light fixture restoration is coming up, and after that, there is one fixture which I'm gonna show. I did not restore it, but I just cleaned it so it looks brand new. There'll be in detail in the next video. So now I'm adding screw for the main connector which goes from the choke, the holder to the main supply wires. So these are a few things. I'm pretty sure you're able to see that big dent from far away, in this wide angle lens of the camera. Sometimes such stuff happen. As you guys can see, this is the fixture after I've added all the screws and everything, the ballast and the stickers. Now we're going to be adding the holders, which is the crucial part of this light fixture. Oh no, I'm not gonna die, please. I should stop myself from such crap. These are OEM holders from Crompton Greaves, the one which came with the fixture. I was lucky enough to have original holders, original choke running, which I was trying to find. And yeah, except the starter, everything is OEM, and the stickers right now. Oh cat, why are you liking my videos? It loves me when I'm working. So we're going to be installing the holders right now, all the good stuff. Yes, that weird zoom, it's sometimes a problem with my phone camera. I can't say anything. I'll show you the overview of the stickers and everything, how I've done it. I've done it on my computer, just taken. So guys, now the fixture is ready. This is a OEM Crompton Greaves starter made for this fixture. I was lucky enough to find it. Let's put it in the fixture, man. Yeah, it's good. It's good to say. This is going to be firing up after a whole week. And yeah, this is a original Crompton tube light. Dead though. It's dead. Crompton 2005. It's dead. I have more two of these which are working. One is about to die and one is as good as new. I'm going to be making a video soon on and more of the fixtures which I've gotten in the meantime. Let's put it in, and yeah, let's fire this thing up after so much time. It's gonna be hibernation after this for a very long time, like other fixtures for over a year. Yeah, yeah. You can see the happiness of the dead tube light. It's happy. I just needed a tube light to prove that this light fixture is working. I actually removed the starter to make it run for some time. It'll run for 9 hours minimum. So yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm so happy that this thing runs. So I attach the starter back because I don't want to overpower the choke and kill it eventually. So guys, this is what I've done. This is the overcome of the fixture. There are a few dents and everything. No, I just want to slap myself on misplacing the main clip, or maybe there was something error with the recording. So guys, now this thing is going to be in hibernation for a long time. We have all the dents over there, you can see clearly the bigger all the dents, all the paint is gone. It was bent very badly. I had to just somehow I managed to get it okay enough. I'll have to work with it later on. Still, I'm happy with the outcome and I'm happy that this thing is working. So guys, you know let's conclude today's thing with this tube light, the Crompton one, which is going in the trash. Sorry, because it's dead. If it was an electronic ballast fixture, it would have run at least for until the filament blew out. Yeah, the high speed is gonna be replaced with the HH Tegora soon. Yeah, my cat likes to play with the tube light. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in my next video.